And then we got the Ruby Polynogram. That was purchased from our web store. Actually shipped that to ourselves. See, we do the same thing with using a smaller size box. We use a lot of tape. Just making sure the product gets to you well. Oh wow, okay. See here, they use a lot of product protection inside here. So it has some void fill. Bags, and then each set of binders is also encased in their own set of boxes. That's going to help. Each of these boxes are also serving to keep the product from being damaged while it's in transit too, which is important if you like to receive stuff that's good. Wow. We got our advertisements, and oh, okay. Every product is encased in some plastic. It helps keep dust out. That's smart. One of the things that were available through us, not through the others, is that we had the other colors as well. You see there's black and red. Yeah. And so we got white. Oh, that's good. And blue. All the vinyl seems to be stretched out real nice. No cuts or anything I can notice. Don't worry about dust. One of the good things about this is if you fill this full of paper, you can always put it right back inside the binder, and then it fills up and you can ship that box everywhere. What we have here is a box from Office Max. Ordered some 4 11x17 binders. Go ahead and open this up. Kind of an oversized box, something I probably wouldn't have preferred to use. And let's take a look at the product here. These are the Quick Fit binders from Stride. See here, that's all the box. Quick look over. Looks pretty good. There's that Stride pocket. Goes in the spine and the cover. Looks alright. I had all these sitting in my car on the way here, and see a little bit of the vinyl's stretched out, but it's not horrible. Kind of what you expect to come find. And all these look great, so we're going to keep moving on to the next box. This one actually came from SP Richards. These are the Cardinal Easy Open binders that I had gotten from Office Depot. It's a lot smaller box, which is one thing that I would prefer when I receive stuff. Lets everything fit in there a little tighter. Oh wow, this is good. You can see in here, they set all the binders on there on the edge, and they actually include a chipboard in between a couple of the binders to give the box some rigidity. Very well noted. Package slip. Paper. So here's the products. Another chipboard. Looks like they did a really good job putting all this together. Let's see here, got the open box. Do a visual inspection, make sure everything looks alright. Include a little cover sheet inside there. Some vinyl sealing issues on it, not horrible. Pretty good. Some bubbling. Oh, pretty good binder. You know, one of the things that we're looking for when I'm going through this is make sure these seams right here aren't popped. A phrase that we normally call cold cracking. It generally happens in the colder months, and you know, this being October, that's not too bad, but it is an issue that does cause some problems. They packed this box really well, so I'd say this is one of the better ones that we've gotten so far, especially with the extra pack. And we have the Staples box. Not exactly one thing I really like. They use kind of a weird cut box. You can see how this pushes in the tape. These are known to just drop stuff all over the place. But looks like everything came right for me. We're gonna open this up. You know, everything is laying down in this box, which is something that we don't do because the panels can bow over time. Of course, we package a lot of ours. Packing information. Pull this out. So there, the box is nice and empty. Dust there. There we go, piece of paper. Everything looks pretty good here. Dusty. Not bad. Looks good. Now let's get the pockets on the top here. So I'll talk about that in my blog post. So be sure to find out more about why we don't do that. Clean. Not bad. So far, so good. You can see that's on the inside of the cover, so can't really do much about that. So banging it upside down, but still not bad at all.